Hello, Sugar Scout Mom. This weekend, our troop is going on a camp out to the Crater of Diamonds. It is the only place in the world where you are allowed to dig for diamonds, and anything that you find, you can keep. My youngest scout, my 11-year-old, he has his bags all packed. I have not looked through these. I knew I wanted to do a video to show how to pack for a weekend camp out, and I thought this would be interesting to see what he packed and if he's listened to my advice. An important tip for any camp out that you're going on with your scouts or your scouts just by themselves is to make sure that they pack their own things. By packing their own things, they know what they have, where it's at, and how to find it. I got this bag off of Amazon. It folds down into a really small bag, so it's easy to store once you're empty. So let's see what he's got. He has got an extra pair of pants in this pocket. Oh, he's got his pajamas in this one. I don't think he'll need this heavy of pajamas. We have been having 100-degree weather the last 2 weeks. It has finally rained, which is really, really good for going to the diamond mine. You want to go right after it's rained. It makes the diamonds come up from the ground and higher likelihood that you might find one. He has his mess kit. Good. A cup, silverware, bowl. Good. Inside, he's got one of the packing cubes that I had talked about for summer camp. These are great for weekends also. And he's got clothes in here. So this is clothes that he'll need for the weekend. I love these cubes because they are easy. They come in all different sizes. Since it's just a weekend, he just needs a small cube to put a couple pairs of clothes in. He has his swimming clothes. There's a chance of swimming. Camping pillow. His Thermarest, and I did a review on this. Thermarest ground pad. Sleeping bag. And this is another one of the packing cubes. I bet you this one is all his bathroom stuff. See, yep, towel, toothbrush, toothpaste. Yep, this is his bathroom bag. Last but not least in the bag is a fan. Definitely going to need that this weekend. It'll still be warm, not as warm as it has been, but very good. One thing I like about this fan is it's a fan and it's a light. So you have a fan and then there's also a light. Another great feature from it is it hangs. It's got a hook, so he can hang it from the tent and point the fan wherever he needs it, or the light, whichever he's needing. Great Amazon buy. Believe it or not, here's that duffel bag. One reason I got it was because it could do this. It can zip up nice and small and be stored in the tent and not take up a lot of space. I put everything back where he had it. Very important, so he knows where everything is in his bag. I think he did really good overall. The only critique I would say is his pajamas for nighttime are a little warm. More of a winter camping than a summer camping. So that's the only thing. Next is a backpack. I always suggest scouts to have a backpack, even on a weekend camp out, because they can carry their water bottle, they can carry their tent essentials, whatever they're going from site to wherever, whatever activity they're doing, it's nice to have a backpack. So I can see he packed himself a water bottle, an Nalgene. Great. See what he's got in here. Oh, he's going to be working on rank stuff for second class. So he's got fire starter stuff. That's why he's got that. Sunblock, good. Always need that. Oh, this is an arrow that he got from doing archery at summer camp. It's a pen. Oh, this is his headlamp. It's missing the backside. There it is. Just needs to be reclipped. Good. Headlamp. Sunglasses. Pocket knife. Chapstick. It's looking good so far. Okay, that's everything for the first pocket. Next is middle pocket. Ooh, I see right away his first aid kit. I got this off of Amazon. It's a little big, but it really has anything and everything that he could need. Rain gear. Yeah, there's a chance of rain, so that's good. Oh, and an extra light. This one is nice, and it also has a little, these two pieces come together, and it will hook up. You can hang it. It has 3 different light settings. It's a great, I've used it on a lot of campouts. So that's it in that pocket. Let's check out his last zipper. Ooh, I see snacks right away. Yeah, gotta always have some snacks. Especially with teenagers. They're always hungry. His scout book, good, especially since he's wanting to work on some advancement stuff. Gotta have that. A notebook, yep, good too. And I think that's it. Also wanted to note, since he's got his knife on him, he also has his totem chip. Good job. One last thing that he packed that I don't have here is his camp chair. Overall, I think he did a great job packing, especially for an 11-year-old. He's still learning what is going to work for him, what's not going to work on a weekend camp out, but it looks like he got all the main things. Again, it's really important to make sure your scout packs their own things. You as a parent can suggest things that you think that they may need or not need, but overall it's really important that they're the ones that pack their things.
I was able to skip it. Let's open it. You open it. Oh, I actually.